Hey guys, I just received this package from Honest Beauty. They reached out to me last week and asked if I'd like to try some product, and I definitely wanted to. I'm not very familiar with the brand, but they are sold at Target, and it is a clean beauty brand, so I thought, why not give it a try and then share with you all what I think. So today is not only going to be an unboxing, but we're going to try some of the products for the very first time. So let me show you what I requested and what they sent over, and then we will proceed. So first up is the Honest Makeup Remover Facial Wipes, plant-based cloth and sugar-derived surfactant, good for all skin types. Next is their Honest Gentle Gel Cleanser. It has chamomile and calendula extracts. It's also good for all skin types. And then I chose the Everyday Radiance Plus C Moisturizer, Niacinamide Plus Vitamin C. It's good for dull and dry skin, and it gives a radiant finish. Also requested 2 of their lip balms. So this is their Tinted Lip Balm Lip Treat. It has antioxidant-rich acai extracts and avocado oil, and I chose the shades Fruit Punch and Lychee Fruit. Let's swatch these. So first we'll swatch Lychee Fruit. And this is the packaging. How cute is that? Very simple. This is the shade. And again, this is Lychee Fruit. And just based on how it looks here, it's going to be a perfect everyday shade. Let's try it on. It feels really nice on the lips, very creamy. And remember, it is a sheer balm, so like I said, the perfect everyday for me because it matches my lip tone. All right, let's move on to Fruit Punch. Again, this is the packaging. And this is the shade. And we'll swatch that right next to Lychee Fruit. And this one has more of corally tone. So let's go ahead and use one of their makeup remover wipes to take off Lychee Fruit. That's cute. It says hit refresh. Based on the description of this product, I think it's going to be great to have in my gym bag for after a workout, for sure, and on the go when I travel. So, which isn't very often, but you know, it's always good to have a good method of removing makeup. So, I'm just peeling this off here. Sorry about that. It opens here. Let's just pull one out. Oh, it smells good. All right, let's show you how big the cloth is. So this is the cloth, and let's take it and wipe Lychee Fruit off. All right, now I'm gonna take Fruit Punch. Yeah, they feel really nice on the lips. Let me take a look. Oh, and that one is a perfect everyday shade as well. It's sheer, so even though it has a tint, it's not an overwhelming tint. I think these will be great to put in, you know, my bag for everyday wear. And I'd also let my 13-year-old wear these because the color is so sheer, even though it has a tint, you know, a hint of color. I think it's perfect for a teenager. So I'm definitely going to be gifting her some of these. But this is Fruit Punch. Okay, now what I want to do is I have a full face of makeup on. Let's use this wipe to remove the makeup, and then we'll go and we'll try the cleanser. Okay, so let's use this wipe. Let's see how much of the makeup we can remove. It's very gentle on the face. Non-irritating. And I have sensitive skin, so I would definitely let you know if at all my skin was being irritated at all. All right, and for a wipe, I think it did an awesome job. All right, let's go to the sink and try out the cleanser. Be right back. All right, guys, so now we're here at the sink, and this is the Honest Gel Cleanser. And you can see that it comes with this nice locking mechanism when you receive it. So I just took that off. And it says, lather me between your hands and massage onto your wet face. Rinse and pat dry. It can be used in the morning and night. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on some water. And we're gonna apply some water to the face. Now I'm just gonna take, okay, we're gonna take some two pumps, should probably be more than enough. Lathering it in my hands. Oh, it gives a really nice lather. Oh, I love the scent. It smells like a spa. It's very gentle. All right, let's take a rinse and see how we feel. Wow, you guys, you can see that there's literally no mascara left. Let's see, let me do this. It's taking it off with no problem. I just need to do a little more rinsing and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take this towel and just rub against my lashes. You all know that I put on tons of mascara, so I definitely was not expecting it to do as well as it did, attacking that mascara. But now I'm just gonna take a towel and go across my lashes and Honestly, no pun intended, it really feels nice. My skin feels nice. It feels clean, and I'm happy. All right, the last item I requested to try was the Honest Everyday Radiancy Moisturizer. And you can see that it comes safely with this cap on. And I'm going to go ahead and pump it right into my hand. And I did about 1.5 pumps. Oh, it has a beautiful scent. It's very clean. I don't know how else to explain it. But again, this is supposed to give a radiant finish to the skin. And it is a moisturizer. It feels really good. Nice, creamy, and light. I like it. Thank you so much, Honest, for sending these over to me. I'm so happy I was able to try your product line, and I hope you all are doing well. Bye. Thank you again, Honest, for sending me over these products. I'm so happy to be able to share these with my audience.